In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ARK free on Steam. If you're trying to pick up ARK without paying, the most important thing to understand is that ARK, Survival Evolved, is only available for free on Steam when Valve or Studio Wildcard decides to run a special promotion. In other words, this is not something you can unlock at any time just by changing a setting or using a hidden option in Steam. It only happens during official free giveaway events or free-to-keep promotions. A good example of this happened in the past with ARK, Survival Evolved. The game was offered free to keep on Steam from June 12th to June 10th, 2022. That meant anyone who claimed it during that limited time window was able to add it to their Steam library permanently. So if someone redeemed it during that promotion, they still own it now and can continue playing it through their account. However, that specific promotion has already ended. So if you're a new user checking today, you can't currently claim ARK Survival Evolved for free on Steam through that old offer. This is an important detail because a lot of outdated videos or posts can make it seem like the game is still free when it isn't. Always make sure you're looking at current information directly on Steam before you assume a giveaway is still active. It's also worth knowing that the newer version of the game, ARK Survival Ascended, is a paid title on Steam. Even though it isn't free by default, it does go on sale fairly often. So while it may not be a free claim, you may still be able to buy it at a discounted price if you keep an eye on upcoming Steam sales. If you want to improve your chances of getting ARK for free in the future, there are a few smart things you should do. First, add ARK to your Steam wishlist. This helps you keep track of price changes and promotions more easily. Next, follow the game's Steam page so you can receive updates when something changes. You should also watch major Steam events like the summer sale, winter sale, publisher weekends, and any free-to-keep promotions that may appear. Finally, check giveaway communities and Steam news announcements regularly because limited time offers can come and go quickly. So, to sum it up, ARK can only be free on Steam during official promotions. The big 2022 giveaway is over, and the best strategy now is to stay alert for future deals and announcements. If you keep watching the right places, you'll have the best chance of claiming it if it becomes free again.